Welcome back to the channel. Today, no cars and coffee today, but we're going to be heading out over to Kenny's house and we're going to be taking the Mustang, obviously. And we're going to be doing some fun things. If you can tell by the thumbnail, you guys already know what we're going to be doing out here. Hanging out with Kenny, doing some go-karts, stuff like that. Just a fun, chill Saturday. It's nice out. See? I think it's like 70 something. Here's look at the car for new people. I haven't driven it much this week, but be nice outside, so it's gonna be nice to check it out. But first things first, you guys already know, gotta get some gas. Gas station, boom. Look at these prices, dog. Jeez.
One hour later.
He's back already. He's a little scared.
I'm scared too. I've seen a lot of people wash out on one of those.
He's official. He's wearing a helmet. Let's get by the road. Get the flyby. Get the flyby. Go a little faster. This is a precursor to his motorcycle, yeah, when he gets one.
Man, that's a good practice.
He's getting it. There you go.
Getting brave.
Baby steps, baby steps.
Getting brave.
Baby steps. I think the scariest part about just motorcycles is turning.
Turning.
Because when you go slow enough, if you go like below a certain speed, it's like left turns left.
Yeah.
But when you go like fast enough, left is counter steering to make you turn right.
Really?
Yeah. It's like a bicycle going high speed.
It's been a while, man.
What you think, buddy? There you go.
What do you think?
What do you think, buddy?
That was, after I had to get a feel for it,
Yeah.
after that it was fun.
Solid.
I didn't even press it all the way in because
No.
whenever you're pressing it, you feel like you're just going back like that. I was just
Oh,
like,
shit.
ooh.
Oh, wait till you
Nah.
hop on a 600. Yeah, it is.
Getting one? You gonna get a bike?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. I'm getting scared, man.
Hell
It was
yeah.
fun though.
I ain't got that.
Nice.
For it. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll try to ride the thing
All right.
properly.
Yeah.
Alright, boy. Where's that?
Oh dear,
He's fearless, man.
that exhaust hit my face.
Pretty loud on it, huh?
Yeah, but in that helmet, it doesn't seem that loud.
You hear it scraping?
Mm-hmm.
Flyby.
Did you see the wheelie he just did? Did you get that wheelie he did?
What's that?
He got it the front wheel up. I was just like, dang.
was done. Dude, that thing, I thought you were gonna fall off on the ditch.
How that wheelie works. Power. I do want to swap it. I have a motor on the way. It'll make 9+ horsepower. This is 6, so 6.5. But this gets it. I mean, 2 passengers does weigh it down. It's got full suspension. We have a light bar up front. Like all this stuff was just the previous owner, and I just replaced the tire because they didn't make it even. They just had it lopsided for some reason. They just, I guess, didn't want to spend the money. But so kill switch is up here. Don't mix it up with this one. This one's the light. So if you're gonna cut it off,
You know how bright that light is?
it's pretty bright. It's LEDs.
Yeah.
I mean, we are aimed directly at the sun. So.
No, when you turn it on, it's still. That's cool though.
So the thing with this, the brakes are mechanical. So the brakes do suck. They're hydraulic. They squeeze a lot harder. So if you are trying to stop, and you can't, just hit the kill switch. So Kim got first kill.
Cold start.
A different switch.
Come on, man.
Alright, bro, she's all yours. If you want to buckle up, you can. I'm turning sharpen up where I would call out the speed. So.
Oh, no, I ain't gonna go that far.
Alright.
It's not like you. I know what you mean about the brakes, man. Other than the small little cul-de-sac, probably, that's it.
We're out here. We're just out here having some fun. It's a nice day. Like I said earlier, boom. It's better than last time, or when I was out here earlier. So we're just out here riding some go-karts and a mini bike. So we got the bike here, go-kart there. We got Raul's car right here. Clean. My car, of course. Then Kenny's is in the garage.
Was it fun?
I want one. I don't have space for it.